unfake live viewership.
The India Today election intelligence dashboard is rocking it.
On India's big verdict day, India Today's viewership super smash.
If you looked at the voting percentage, it was less than 50%.
This is a real wake-up call for the double engine.
Thriller in the election results, landslide for the #1 election channel.
Let's turn to tonight's Get Real India story. And it's a story of hope. Residents of Nirmal Jyot village in Bengal were gearing up for Eid festivities on Monday morning when suddenly the rear-end collision involving the Kanchenjunga Express and a goods train occurred. Setting aside their Eid celebrations, the locals immediately engaged in rescue and relief efforts. Let's take a look at this Get Real India report.
It's a heartbreaking festival for the residents of Nirmal Jyot village. It decided not to celebrate Bakri Eid this year. Mourning as it was for the dead in the Kanchenjunga Express train accident. At least 9 passengers were killed and 40 others injured when a goods train smashed into passenger train from behind.
ईद तो थी लेकिन क्या करें करीबी रेलवे ये रेल लाइन है यहाँ रेल दुर्घटना हादसा हुआ इसी वजह से बहुत सारे लोगों की जान चली गई तो गांव के जो करीब है इसी वजह से आज पूरे गांव वालों ने मिल कर के मशवरा किया है कि आज हम लोग जो ईद की जो ईद उल अज़हा की नमाज वो नमाज तो हम लोग पढ़ चुके लेकिन कुर्बानी हमारी बाकी रह गई कुर्बानी आज हम लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं.
It was from this village that first responders and rescuers emerged. The harrowing incident writ large, compelling the village to drop any plans of celebrating the festival. MD Hassan, a 21-year-old from Tambari who reached the accident site, said he rescued the loco pilot of the goods train which collided with Kanchenjunga Express.
आपने ये किया था लोगों को निकाला था वहाँ से किस हालत में थी वो लोग?
बहुत बुरी हालत में थी हम लोगों को निकाल के अपने गाड़ी से मेडिकल कॉलेज लेके गया था.
कितने लोगों को फंसे हुए वहाँ से निकाले?
हम लोग शायद 12-15 होगा.
हम लोग देखा यहाँ पे एक इंजिन पीछे से आके एक कंचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस में आके पूरा धक्का मारा है पीछे से तो पूरा बहुत आदमी चिल्ला रहा था इधर चिल्ला के बहुत आदमी आके आया हम लोग नमाज पढ़ने के बाद आने के बाद इसको निकाला गाड़ी से निकालने के बाद गाड़ी उड़ी में लेके मेडिकल भेजा.
The unified effort of the villagers and the administration highlighted the strength and resilience of the community and the selflessness of a united India. Bureau Report, India Today.
There is hope. उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है. This is the power of the ordinary citizen who sets aside all religious festivities to help his fellow Indians or her fellow Indians. I want to leave you with an image of the day which shows the other side, the not so nice side of this country. A portion of a newly constructed bridge over the Bakra River in Bihar's Araria collapsed right before its scheduled inauguration. The bridge was constructed by the state government but was not open to the public as approach roads to the bridge were yet to be constructed. The cause of the incident is not yet known, but this is not the first time a newly constructed bridge in Bihar has collapsed in this manner. I wonder who made all the money on that bridge. Think about that and stay well, stay safe. Good night, Shubhratri. Jai Hind. Namaskar.
By the way, I couldn't share the photos you sent me yesterday. I can't even take a screenshot.
Private share.
But where are they?
Somewhere secure.
But I want to tell the world about us.
But you're my world.
And you're my awesome.
Galaxy A55 and A35 5G with the awesome Samsung Knox Vault. Because what's private should stay absolutely private.
जो पसीना बहाने से नहीं रुकते उन्हें कोई नहीं रोक पाता है.
Make your media plan smarter with India Today Live TV on your connected devices. Amplify your brand with 100 million smart internet viewers. To advertise, mail us at sales@aajtak.com.
Sensodyne Daily Sensitivity Protection. Mutual funds सही है.
Hello, you're watching India Today and I am Ishwarya Paliwal. Let's start the show with the headlines. Big gear on the splurge being done in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Tourism complex in Vizag sparks a controversy. The TDP releases pictures of a plush palace, a sea-facing mansion built in secrecy. 500 crore hill palace built by Jagan. More trouble for superstar Darshan. Darshan's house is now under the scanner. Actor's house violates the land laws. The actor got the demolition stay from court earlier. Delhi sizzles in merciless summer. Mercury to soar to 45 degrees. Intense heat warning has been issued from today. Nancy Pelosi triggers a China ire in India. Former United States Speaker all set to meet Dalai Lama. China fumes over Nancy Pelosi visit. They warned the United States of resolute measures. Olympic champion Neeraj Chopra clinches the gold medal in men's javelin throw with the 85.97-meter throw in Paavo Nurmi Games in Finland. News we are tracking at the moment. Chilling details of Renuka